guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Prestige P, and if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and do that right now before this video starts. Okay, all right. So what we're gonna do in this makeup look, and already tell from the thumbnail that I'll be doing a kind of like a recreation of this makeup look. I will put the picture up here that Nikkie tutorial did. It's like a half mask face. It's called like a phantom something. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do today. Okay, so I'm gonna try to recreate her look. I'm not trying to be her, I'm not trying to look like her, I'm just trying to recreate this look. Okay, so this would be one of my Halloween look, and we are gonna get started. First, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrow, because you guys know this is what I always start off with. And right now my eyebrow is looking very bushy, so I gotta get them threaded. So I'm gonna quickly speed this process up. It's the same thing, but I think I'm gonna do my eyebrow a little bit harsher. So I'm gonna focus on this side, and I'm gonna do this side bared. Nothing is gonna be on this side at all. And I'm gonna focus the makeup look and the whole theme on this side of my face. So I'm gonna do my eyebrow, and I am gonna go ahead and take my Anastasia Beverly Hills. Okay, this eyebrow is looking mad thick, super duper thick, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean. I'm under the weather. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up, and I'm gonna use my NARS concealer. And how are you guys doing today? How are your Halloween look coming along? Like, I need to know what kind of Halloween look and theme are you gonna be doing this year. Okay guys, so now that I bring that concealer all the way down, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Sacha Buttercup just to set that so that it doesn't start to crease up on me. You guys know the deal already with that. Okay guys, so we are gonna jump right into the eye look, and I'm gonna go ahead and use these two palette here. This one is I had it a very long time, and it's full of nice bright colors: yellow, orange, green, purple. And then for some of my transition or to blend the rest of the color, I might go into this palette from the Juvia's Place. So let me zoom you guys in. Okay guys, I am so sorry about this part. I thought my mic was recording me, but it was not, so sorry about that. But what I'm doing right now, I'm taking that purple shade from the palette, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take the pink shade from the same palette and just tap it right onto next to the purple so it could blend in together. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take the yellow shade and just blend it right at the inner corner, just like what I'm doing right now. And then I'm gonna blend everything out so that it could like blend together and there's no harsh line. Next, I'm gonna take the orange shade and I'm gonna put it right on top under my brow bone, just to blend out the harsh line on the colors that I put. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and make sure that it is completely blended. And then I'm gonna go into what I'm gonna go into now. I really don't know what I'm gonna go. Yes, I am gonna go ahead and cut the lid so that I have a nice cut crease. But guys, I thought I was recording, but sorry about that. But yeah, back to the normal program. I realized that I was not recording, so back over to my voice. Okay guys, so now that the lid is super duper, it's looking really nice already. I'm kind of loving this. Like, I'm really loving this look already, and I'm not even done as yet. So next I'm gonna go into, let me see what color I want to go into. I think I want to do something like shimmer or golden on my lid. So first I'm gonna go ahead and set it, because you know, sometimes when you put colors on your lid and it's not set, it kind of don't look good. So I'm gonna go back into my Sacha Buttercup and just tap it on. And sorry if there's like noise outside, like every time I am recording, it's always noise. Always, always, always. All right, so the color I'm gonna be using is this nice champagne shade right here. This is called Zuri from the Juvia's Place palette. And I'm gonna go ahead and take it on a flat top brush. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just pat it on. This is so pretty, wow. This is giving me champagne vibes right now. Look at that, just a look. This is really pretty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it all over the lid. This is so pretty, I love it already, and I'm not even done. Okay, don't worry about the side. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up when I put on my eyeshadow and finish all of that stuff. So next I'm gonna go down onto the bottom, and whatever color I put on top, I'm gonna go ahead and use at the bottom. So I'm gonna start off with the purple. Just tap it right here. And then to blend everything out, I'm gonna go back into this nice orange shade right here. It's kind of the same thing like what I use on top with the Juvia's Place palette. Same color. So I'm gonna go and take that and just blend out the bottom. So I'm gonna bring it a little bit lower just to blend out the edges. So now I'm gonna go into my NYX wing liner, and I'm gonna definitely do a wing. Okay guys, so next I'm gonna go into my Bad Girl Bang mascara, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just pop on some lashes. Okay guys, so the lashes is on, very pretty, very nice. I love this look so much. All right, so let's get to the part where it's fun, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and take my brown liner. Sometimes I use this to, you know, do my eyebrows. So basically what I'm gonna be doing, I can't speak today, I don't know why. But basically what I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna kind of carve out a line and go all the way down, and just to separate this side. So first I'm gonna go ahead and use my liner, and I'm gonna start right here and just kind of, and the line don't have to be straight because afterwards you're gonna go ahead and just kind of blend out these sides. So I'm gonna start and just kind of bring it up. Okay guys, so now that I have the line looking all right, okay, it's all right, it's getting there. I'm gonna go ahead and use a light concealer because the concealer for this side of the face, I want it to be a little bit more brighter because I want it to look kind of plastic, kind of, you know, fadey looking. I don't want it to match my skin tone because this side gonna be darker. So I'm not gonna use my regular foundation that look just like my skin. I'm gonna be using my concealer, and for that I'm gonna be going into these two Tarte Shape Tape Tan Sand and Deep. So first I'm gonna go into Deep. Deep is one shade lighter than me, pretty much, and then Tan Sand is like 2-3 shades lighter than me. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put these on, and I'm gonna go right into the center only. I'm not going to go over it. Just gonna keep right into the center. And then I'm gonna go into Tan Sand, and I'm gonna put it right underneath my eyes, so to get that nice pop of highlight. And pretty much I'm just gonna go ahead and just blend both of them together. And if you get over the line, don't worry, just wipe it off with a makeup wipes or something. Okay, so now that it's all blended, I'm gonna go into the Fenty blotting powder. And the reason why I am using this is because I normally use my MAC in NW45 to set the whole entire face, but that's my skin tone. And because this is more lighter, I don't wanna blend that, then it's gonna be like dark. So I'm gonna be using the Fenty blotting powder, and I'm gonna go ahead and use a brush. And I'm just gonna stamp it in because I don't want the concealer to start creasing up on me. And I'm just gonna go ahead and use that to set the whole entire section. Okay guys, so next what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back in and I'm gonna clean up the sides where I kind of put that concealer out, because I just want just this side to be like more precise. So I'm just gonna clean up the edges, only the edges where the concealer had seeped out. Okay guys, so next I'm gonna go ahead and fade out the line a little bit because I don't want it to be harsh. I want it to be kind of faded. So I'm gonna go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills with Jackie Aina, and I'm gonna take this brown shade here called Credit, and I'm gonna go ahead and just fade out the lines, only the lines at the end, and just make it look more precise. So take your time while you're doing this because you don't want to, you know, get it into what you did and mess up your whole entire look. So just take your time and just fade out the line. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoy. I had fun doing this and it was very easy. It wasn't that hard. If you just follow Nikkie tutorial step, it will be super duper easy. I never thought that I could do this so nice. It looks so good. Like, I really love it compared to this side. It's like meh, but this side is so plastic. So it's so bright and so vivid and it's different. Don't forget, makeup is about art. Creating art on your face is not that serious, so don't take it seriously. I'm just doing this for the Halloween look, the Halloween vibes, the Halloween season. And you will definitely see more Halloween look from me. Don't forget to check me out every day, Monday through Friday. And yeah, pretty much that's it guys. I will see you tomorrow in my next video. Bye.